Are you in the market to buy a home and your budget's under $300,000? There are some insane deals out here in Coolidge, Arizona. I'm about to tour this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 1,500 square feet and priced under $300,000. If it's a home you want to check out, come on through. Welcome to Coolidge, Arizona. We're about to tour a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a den built in 2008. This amazing home's priced at only $284,900, so under $285,000. You're about to see a beautiful home, move-in ready. Everything's been painted, updated, appliances are wonderful. Again, square footage on this one is 1,513. Taxes are only $968, and your HOA fee is only $50 a month. This home right here is gonna include the refrigerator. Has some great exterior curb appeal. Check out over here, you only have the single story. So yeah, the exterior is in excellent shape. Paint's beautiful. I'm gonna say out of my tours today out in Kaiser and Coolidge, this one definitely has the best curb appeal so far. And you don't have really a lot around you. As you can see over there, they're getting ready to do a new build community on this side, it looks like. So no neighbors, just looks like it's gonna be a green belt right here, which is pretty awesome. You have this one neighbor right there, and it looks like they got an empty lot there. All right, let's head on in and see what $285,000 can buy you in Coolidge, Arizona. This one right here, it's in good shape. A little bit of weather stripping needed on that garage door, nothing too crazy. Right there, as you can see. But otherwise, garage door's in great shape. I'm gonna head down this side again, some great landscaping. Everything's desert landscaping, pretty easy. They may not have the water turned on to the plants right now, or they might get a little frost on there from our winter. We did get a little bit of a freeze here and there. This home does have those solar screens. All right, let's head on in. Ooh. So you get super tall ceilings, smells amazing, fresh carpet. Looks like they did some fresh paint, some really nice ceiling fan features. And open, so it's a super open layout, which is wonderful. You have a lot of space. It's 1,513 on the square footage. You have this den area right here, so you could either use this as an at-home office, playroom. It's right off that front family room. If you needed to convert it to that 4th bedroom, you could. Head this way right here. So this opens right up to the kitchen. Again, in great shape. They have this little dining nook right here. Another great smelling home. Today I've been lucking out. Sometimes when you go into properties that are vacant, they smell a little stale. The last 2 I went in, including this one, smell great. You do have the typical tape line up there. Something like that. Sometimes you have to scrape that down, re-tape it, then paint it. Again, this property right here, believe it or not, it's from 2008. We have stainless steel appliances here. Let's check out this microwave. It's in pretty good shape. Stovetop needs a little bit of scrubbing possibly. Oven is nice and clean. The fridge. So this one has Samsung appliances, all matching. And that's your view to your family room / dining. So this one is what we would call a split floor plan, meaning the primary bedroom is opposite side of these secondary bedrooms. It's great if you want some privacy, you know, have a little bit of quiet time. So we'll head into the primary first. And again, nice tall ceiling. So the room has some great size. Head this way. And you have your bathroom. You have a tub and shower combo right here. Nice deep tub. And you have your sink. Good size closet. Pretty good sized bedroom. The ceiling height definitely makes this house feel so refreshing and tall and big, lots of space. We'll head on this way to the secondary bedrooms. So you have this little nook. You could add a desk there, a piece of furniture. You have one bedroom right here. Paint on this home, everything's in good shape. This is more of a move-in ready home. Not a lot you're gonna have to do to this one. You have the bathroom right here. So you have another tub shower combo. Single sink. And then you have washer and dryer set up right here. It looks like this property is all electric. I don't see any gas here. Another bedroom. And then of course, that's that den area right here. Some more closet space. I'm gonna walk back this way. We're gonna head into that garage. So 2-car garage, floor's been done. It's pretty clean out here. That could be a gas hot water heater. Again, I would have to look in disclosures for that. I'm not seeing gas on here at all. But yeah, I will definitely check in, guys, to make sure that we know if this is gas or electric run. Super clean garage. Looks like they freshly painted the walls, the floors. It is ready to go. We're gonna head back this way and check out the backyard. So as we walk in, here's your kitchen. Into the family room. So there is the AC. Let's see if we can find the manufacturer's date on here. Serial number. All right, I will come back and take a look at that with my readers. It's in pretty good shape though. It looks like it's a little bit new. It could have been replaced. And you have a large lot. So this lot's at 5411 on the square footage. Super private, single stories all around. So you have that green belt, singles. So tons of privacy back here. You don't have any heat next to your primary bedroom window, which is wonderful. So yeah, low maintenance, easy maintenance. Head back inside. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1513 on the square footage at only $285,000. If it's a home you want more info on, please feel free to reach on out.